Hey y'all, so I'm excited because I got my first comfort order. So I wanted to do an unboxing or unbagging or whatever you want to call it. So let's see. It's my very first time ordering, so let's see. Yes. Alright. Yeah. So let's open this. Real quick. Ooh, so I got the cotton. It said it was cotton. Yes, it's thick. It's nice. Ooh, and it's so soft. Okay. This one has a heart on the back, on the pocket right here. These are straight legs. I don't know if you can see that, but these are straight legs. And it got the Comfort logo right there. Some nice pockets on the side. Yes, and a pocket, like I said, in the back with the heart. So those are the pants. Let's see the hoodie. Ooh. Alright. What's all this? Ooh. 15% off card. Unbox with us. Oh, and you get a discount for unboxing. I didn't know that, so that's good. Alright. That's dope. Alright, so here's the hoodie. Look how big it is. I got a medium. And I'm 5'3", I think. So, and it's big. It's like oversized. So I really like this. I think this one, let me see, this one has a heart right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. It has a heart right there at the top. The nice pouch in the front. Okay. And then look at the back. So it says ways to show love. And then it says send in playlist. Text me when you get home. Handwritten notes. How are you really? Listening. This made me think of you. Flowers and consideration. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited to wear it. So I'm going to try it on for y'all in a minute. I will be back. Alright, y'all. So this is how it looks. It's really cute. Look at that. Beautiful outfit. Look. The back. Okay. Got the beautiful pockets. I love it. And it's comfy. It's like wearing a comforter. A nice warm comforter. Great for the winter, of course. I love it. Look how cute that is. And then this has that on the pocket. This has the heart right there. I love it. So cute. I can't wait to wear it.